What's up, everybody? So, obviously, Scott here wanted to hop on here and kind of share my top maybe five, six products for summertime that I've at least got off of Amazon and everything that have been helpful with for us during the summer. But anyways, today is what, June, what I believe it's 21st. So basically summer just started pretty much. So we just had what the longest day of the year, summer solstice. So thought it'd be appropriate to do this video. But I'll go ahead and kind of start off with my like number five or six product and then work my way down. But so we'll go ahead and share my screen here. All right. So got my screen shared here. We're going to actually. All right, got my screen shared here. So I'll go ahead and start off with cool little product thing I like messing around with in the summertime, falls too, but is a little DJI Neo um drone that I have. So I have my drone license, like to fly this, just take some good pictures of sunsets and stuff in the summertime. Very good beginner drone if anybody's looking for a beginner drone out there. But if you want to check this out, you can go over to the Amazon page or YouTube page, and I've got the video on there. But here is the video of the Neo bundle. Hey everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you a quick unboxing of the DJI Neo combo bundle drone that comes with the charging hub. So as many of you know, I like drones, have my license, and have another one. So that's just a short clip of the DJI Neo. For the price, you can, it is a really good drone. One reason I got this is I can fly it through the app on my phone, which is pretty cool. Plus, you can get one of the other controllers with a screen built into it and fly it that way too. It does connect to that. I believe it's the called the DJI RC2 controller, something similar. I have that for another one of my drones, which I'll show you next. But I wanted that because sometimes I don't like to use my phone. I'd rather just use the built-in screen, just a little more convenient and handy. So that's the DJI Neo. And then we'll get into the next one, which is along the same lines, is the DJI Mini 4 Pro. So I love this thing. Very compact again, under 249 grams. And one of the main reasons I got it is because of this right here, the controllers. You can see the screen's built in there. You do all the app updates, everything through there. It binds to this drone. It does bind to the DJI Neo that I just showed you too. Here's some more pictures of it. Just a really great drone. The camera gimbal there moves up and down. It does have what is, I believe, three times zoom, maybe. I can't remember off the top of my head, but kind of like to use this same capacity. The cool thing about this compared to the DJI Neo, granted, it is a lot higher price point. Outside of the controller, it does have 360 obstacle avoidance, as you can see here, omnidirectional vision. That's one of the main reasons I got it. So this is more if you're looking to get some more professional, high quality videos and footage. So here's the video here. Hey everybody, just a quick unboxing. Here, wanted to show you this DJI Mini 4 Pro with the DJI RC2 controller. So I got this, as some of you know, my interest outside of golf and our pets is drones. So that's just a quick intro into that one. So if you're into drones and stuff, I highly recommend those two drones, especially the Neo for beginners. They do have another beginner drone out there. I think it's the DJI Flip, a little bit more of a higher price point. Um, so that's the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Also got the video up on the YouTube channel. The next product, which I highly recommend, especially for the heat, we're getting into some very hot days here in North Carolina, throughout the country, probably in the hundreds. For the next week or so, but is this 75-foot Mister kit. This came in clutch last summer, especially around 4th of July. We had some people over for 4th of July. One of our dog's birthdays is on the 4th of July, which is pretty cool. But I connected this up to one of the other products I'll show you at the end. connected to a tent, strung it throughout my yard, and all these nozzles spray out some mist, which is pretty cool. Very easy to set up, connect and everything to your hose, or your outdoor, hose outlet and everything, hose adapter, whatever you want to call it, faucet. But just very, very cool, Mister. Easy to set up. I believe you can, if you know what you're doing, you can actually extend it even more. But we'll go ahead and show you a little bit of this video. Pull that up. So I believe it's this one right here.
Hey everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you this misting system that I got to be able to attach to. Show you how to set it up
Here's the
with
instruction booklet.
and wanted to show you a quick unboxing of this. Look forward to putting it.
So I just did a quick unboxing of it. I do have it on another video on, I believe, on for a tent that I'll show you here at the end. But that's up on the YouTube channel too. So that's that one. Next, this comes in very handy really all times of year, but especially in the summertime when I'm cutting the grass more, but is the Ryobi one 18-volt lithium ion cordless leaf blower. Does not This one does not come with a battery, so already you're gonna have to have a battery, which I do for and charger for some of my other Ryobi tools. But just a pretty simple, easy to use leaf blower. Battery attaches pretty simple to the back here, right there. I'll show you. So if you're on the page, you can just look up Ryobi and it should come up. Here's the video right here.
Hey everybody, Scott here with my review of the Ryobi One Plus trigger right here for your power. This does not have like a nice little blower to have on hand to do your simple yard.
So that's that one. And then after that, number two. So this is the four-piece daybed out by Out Sunny. Very handy to have in the fall and summertime. Basically, these cushions are removable. I believe you can wash them. We probably shouldn't say this, but we haven't washed ours yet. But so you can remove these, store them when the weather's bad or whatever. We do have a cover for this, which is in another video on here. But what's cool, the reason we got this canopy, folds up and folds down. So if you want the sun, you can keep it down. If you want the shade, you can keep it up. Comes with the three pillows there. Just a handy little day bed we have on our patio in our backyard. But you can pull that up here on the page too, and also on the YouTube channel. So let's see, I think it's under this. Yep, right here. So here's the video.
Hey everybody, Scott here with my review of the round.
So this is it after it's put together. It was a little challenge to put together. Highly recommend doing it with two people. But as you can see, the canopy's up there, got all the cushions on it in our backyard.
Outdoor day bed. So this is a neat little day bed that we have on our patio in our backyard that I ordered and put together. So what's pretty cool about this, a couple cool features, is it has this canopy on it. So if you want some shade, you can sit here where these pillows are and the cushions. And
Unfortunately, we don't have a pool yet, but that's on the vision board. So, but would highly recommend using that around a pool. I think it would be great. So there's that day bed. And then next we will go to probably the number one thing for the summer that I thought was really cool that we got last year is this Coleman screen canopy tent. Help keep some of the bugs out. Isn't 100%, doesn't keep the bugs out 100%, but we used this on the 4th of July last year in our yard. We'll be using it again. It's got the zippered front. You can hang, I believe you can hang like a portable lantern on the top in the middle. But it did come in handy. And what was nice is I mentioned that 75-foot Mister um, kit that I got and that I liked. So it worked well with this. We attached it to this and it helped keep people cool last 4th of July when they came over, and it was pretty easy to attach to this with um, like zip ties or other stuff like that, and just strung it around the tent and on the outside and inside. But And we'll go ahead and pull up this video.
What's up, everybody? Scott here. Wanted to show you this instant screen house tent that
So this is a quick unboxing in the beginning. If you get more into the video, I'll have it set up so I kind of skip forward to that.
Coleman that I used to maneuver, but you'll want to extend these legs. Here's the extension right here. And then when they're extended all right here, this one is, it's got the little silver clip that's popped in. So that, and what's cool is you can adjust these. So here's the inside of the tent, ship a line. So that's probably some shade for us in our backyard when we're having people over, and look forward to using it. Here's the inside of the tent. Show you it real quick. There's the top, so you could, there's a little loop right there, so you could hang something up there if you wanted to, maybe like a little lantern or something. But it's got quite a bit of space in here, as you can see. So, and I'm obviously standing there right now in the shade. So there you go. Did you?
So that's the Coleman Sky Lodge screen canopy tent that I highly recommend, especially if you're a camper or just want something like this for your backyard in the summertime with the heat and everything. But that's probably the number one summer product that we have. I'm sure there's some other great products out there for the summer, but this is just one that we've ordered to be able to have in our backyard and keep some shade there for some hot days, especially some that are coming up this next few weeks. But anyways, just wanted to hop on here real quick, do kind of a quick video overview of like top six products that five or six products, obviously six, but that I've ordered for the summertime in the past, either this year or last year. Most of these are from last year. But like I said, if you're a camper, highly recommend this one. But that's pretty much it. I hope everybody's having a good start to the summer. Most important thing is be safe, have fun, and create memories with your family. Talk to you later. If you like this video, please subscribe, support, hit the subscribe button. Really appreciate everybody's support on here. And hopefully to get some more videos like this and keep these some of these product videos coming. So hope you're enjoying them. And like I said, very much appreciate the support.